This may look like a Walmart haul, but it is actually the contents of my refrigerator, my freezer, and some items from my pantry. I took everything out because I wanted to see everything I had, work visually here, and also make a good plan for the menu for the week. Now I know what to purchase from Walmart. So we're going to take everything out. I'm going to clean down the shelves. I'm going to make my menu, and then I'm going to place my Walmart order, and I'll show you what I got from Walmart. But first, just to highlight some of the items here so you can see what I'm working with for the menu. I have a lot of frozen meat. We'll get to that in a second, but I have a lot of produce, some fresh herbs. I have 3 blocks of cream cheese. I have the ingredients to make chicken broth. That's what's all in this bin here. I'm gonna make chicken broth. I have some produce, some apples and some celery and some broccoli slaw and a head of lettuce and lots of cheese. And I have these sausage links. I ended up going away for the weekend. My husband and I visited the town of Herman, but before that we went to the town of Swiss, and they have some wonderful meat and sausage products, and we stocked up. So I'm going to be making a couple meals with that this week. From the freezer, I have these cooked shrimp, these little shrimp, and then I also have our breakfast sausage meatballs, and then I also have these sacchetti, goat cheese, and honey, little pocket purses of pasta. Those are going to be delicious. And I might pair them with these meatballs, these made with beef restaurant style meatballs I got from Aldi. And more from the freezer, I have some different bread items I have, but I have a lot of meat, including more of those sausages that we got from that little town, about 3 packs of those. And then lots of meat broken out that I prepared. I ended up buying the big tenderloin from Aldi, and I divided it into 3 portions and put that in the freezer so we can eat on that during the holidays. And then some other things like some chicken thighs and some chicken tenderloins and other things that are going to be great to think about this week or the upcoming weeks. And then I have some spices I'm going through, things that I haven't been using. I think I'm going to make some simmer pots for Christmas. So I have rosemary and cloves, and they have cinnamon sticks, and you simmer them on your stove. Anyway, I'm going to be making those. But then I also have some just random spices that I want to just keep out in front of me and put on my inventory so I don't forget to use those. So that is everything. I'm going to hurry, get all this back in the freezer and fridge, a little more organized. I did go ahead and wipe down the refrigerator so everything's nice and clean now to put everything back where it belongs. Okay, now this is indeed the Walmart order. I just had it delivered and I was way below budget because I went through my fridge and pantry and freezer first, and I knew exactly what I had to work with. All right, so I'm just going to do a real quick summary here of everything I have. Look at how huge this cabbage is. This is a Napa cabbage. It is ginormous. I got some fresh produce. I got spinach and carrots and some frozen rice cauliflower and some frozen spinach. I got lots of fruit. I needed some for my simmer pots. I also got a fresh pomegranate for an appetizer I'm going to make, fresh apples, some lemons. I also got some avocados and a cucumber. So lots of fresh produce. I also got some frozen items, pierogies. I'm going to use those with the sausages. And then some breakfast sausage links I needed. More cheese, Imo's, Provel cheese. I also got some Cracker Barrel, sharp white cheddar. That is going to be used on those sausages. And then I also got, flip this over, sharp cheddar cheese block. And I also got some turkey that I'm going to put in these spinach wraps. I've got plenty of cranberries because I'm going to make some appetizers and desserts. I also needed some spices and herbs, more parsley, more minced onion, and I got some freeze-dried chives. I needed some everything bagel seasoning. It's my favorite. Also some seasoning salt and just some more cinnamon sticks. So I'm going to be making these ornaments that are filled with all of those herbs. They're going to make cute Christmas gifts. I also got some orange juice, some Worcestershire sauce, and then I got these thin, gluten-free thin crackers, and also some 18 eggs. I also needed more sponges. These were on sale, so I just picked up a bunch, but that's it. That is everything I needed for the meals for the week, for the appetizers that I'm planning to make, and for some simmer pots and some ornaments filled with herbs and spices. So I have a lot to work with here, and I feel really good about assessing what I had first and then making this Walmart run. So everything is going to be compiled now, put away, and I'll show you the total here of what I spent so you see I'm below budget, and then we'll get into the menu board and all that I'm planning to make this week. Okay, here is our menu for the week. So with those sausage links and those bratwurst, I'm going to make a pierogi and dill soup with those sausages, and it's going to have carrots and that that Napa cabbage in there. We're gonna have hamburgers this week. We're also gonna have chicken thighs. Those are in the freezer. Gonna defrost those and have that with the rest of the tikka masala sauce we have left and some of the heavy whipping cream. And then those meatballs and that pasta with that homemade sauce that's in our freezer. So I'll make that. And then we are out one day this week for a holiday party. That's a reminder to bring the wine. So I gotta do that. And then Monday is soup group here at my house. I'm hosting. So that's why a lot of these appetizers and things are being thought about, and also presents. So some of the things I have to use up, cabbage slaw that's in the fridge, the wonton wraps, turkey broth, and some egg patties, and then the chicken broth fixings. And then here are some things I'm going to be making for appetizers and just to have for different events, and of course making some Christmas presents. So the sausage, cheese, and cranberry bites I'm making as an appetizer, shrimp salad, lettuce cups, another app, and then the simmer pots are a present, and the dip mix ornaments are as well. And then I'm also going to make turkey, cream cheese, and pomegranates wrapped up into pinwheels. So lots of different things going on between just the menu for us just to eat this week and then use up things, and then also just some different things I'm making for all the events. So looking forward to another great week. If you want to see those appetizers and all the ornaments and different things I'm making, be sure you are subscribed and click that notification bell to be notified when I make those videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.